We distribute this course in three major groups for a better understanding of our students. So, first group is architecture, second one is installation and replication, and third one is tuning and maintenance. So, let's discuss each group one by one. These are the course content which include in architecture group. So, first we will discuss about the Postgres database and the advantage of Postgres database and the features of the Postgres SQL database. Then we will move toward the memory architecture of Postgres SQL database and we will discuss each component of memory architecture of Postgres SQL database. In this, we will discuss about the physical architecture of Postgres SQL database. Then we will discuss the logical objects of Postgres SQL database like tables, indexes, functions, triggers. Now this is the second group in which we'll perform installation and replication of Postgres SQL database. So first we perform the installation of Postgres SQL database on a Linux platform. Then we will create a replication site for Postgres SQL database. And third one is a very important topic. This is the tuning and maintenance. These are the most important topics we will discuss in this course. First one is performance tuning and last one is maintenance of your PostgreSQL database. We will discuss how to find out the problematic queries, how to tune up these queries, okay, and we will perform the maintenance operations like reindex, analyze the tables like a vacuum on the tables, and we will also perform the maintenance activity on your wall archive files.